Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, what I'll be showing you how to do on your Samsung TV, and of course this is the Samsung TV that adds the Tizen OS, whether it's a new TV or of course if it's a TV that you're updated, if it's compatible. Of course this will be the tutorial on how to install an app. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the remote to the Samsung TV. Do note you need to be signed in to a Samsung account, seeing this is a Samsung based OS. So you want to make sure that you're signed in. That's a part of the setup process. In other words, you need a Samsung account. So if you have one already, especially for a Samsung phone, make sure you log in. And of course, once you're logged in, it will allow you to access the Galaxy Store. All right. So of course, here we go. So right away, you're going to go all the way to the top of the screen. I'm navigating using the remote. Go all the way up until the Discovery tab is highlighted. You're going to go to Apps. And of course, once you go on apps, you'll see that you're in the apps field. You see recommendation. And of course, you see what are downloaded on your device. You see popular this week. And of course, you have a whole bunch of options and categories here. You also have settings and everything related to apps. All right. So what you want to do from here, choose your category and find your app. Of course, you can find various stuff like news apps and so on. All right. So popular this week, you notice here we have several apps here. We have Bloomberg, we have Vion for news, we have some games. All right, so for example, if you want to install the game, or it doesn't matter what it is, just go ahead and select what you want to install. We're going to try Vion, that's a smaller app. All right, so as you can see here, it gives you the information on the app. It breaks down the app. You can look through the information here. And what you want to do here is just simply go ahead. Notice you can get a lot of details. You can look at more information. You can look for updates and so on. All right, so we're going to go back. You're going to select install. All right, so as you can see here, it says 100%. It's a small download, so it shouldn't take too long. And that option there, you notice you can add it to the home screen. So we're going to add to the home screen. You can open, add to home screen, you can close. Sorry, so we're going to say add to home. All right, so once we add to home, you'll notice it will appear on the home screen. There you go. So as you can see there, the Vion app is now a part of your apps. And as you can see, it's asking where you want to place it. Since it's new, I'm going to place it here. All right, so there you go. So it has installed the app, and that's how to install a new app. You can even go ahead and launch this app on your device, which is Vion. It will simply load, and then you'll have the Vion app. I'm not going to show you everything. I'm just going to show you the quick starting screen. All right, there you go. So it shows the Vion. So I'm not going to show anything else. All right, so that's how to install an app on your device. You can explore the categories and find your favorite apps. All right, Ricardo Gado from Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye.